A pleasant day to each and everyone. This video is about three-way switch used as a single switch. A three-way switch is a type of electrical switch used to control a light from two different locations. However, it's not uncommon for people to want to use a three-way switch as a single switch, especially in situations where they have a three-way switch but only need to control a light from one location. Three-way switches are designed to work in pairs, allowing to control a single light fixtures from two different locations. There are three terminals, a common terminal and two traveler terminals. The common terminals is connected to the power source or the light fixtures, while the traveler terminals are connected to the other switch not in pair. If there is a three-way switch but only want to control a light from one location, it can wire the switch to control as a standard single pole switch. To do this, connect the common terminal to the hot wire from the power source and cap off the traveler wires or connect the other traveler wire to turn on the light. Ensure that the switch is properly connected and that all wires are safely terminated. Take note that improper wiring can lead to electrical hazards. Using a three-way switch as a single switch can simplify the setup if the only need is to control from one location. Using a three-way switch as a single switch is feasible, but it requires careful handling of the wiring and consideration of potential code issues. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.